Hi guys, so my name is Kirtan. So in today's class we are going to learn about AWS CLI. So if you ask what is AWS CLI, so it means it's a software used to authenticate and manage AWS services using commands from existing CLI, like example PowerShell, Bash or Terminal. For that, first we have to install AWS CLI. You can go with any browser. If you type AWS CLI, you should click the first link. So you can go with the Windows, Mac or Linux. So I have already installed the Windows. So if you are new, so click the 64-bit. You install it. So first you download it and then you install. So this is the first step. So after installing, so you go to your console, AWS console. Here you, in the top right, can see the security credentials. You have to click that. So when you scroll down, you can see here access key. I have already created my access key priorly. So if you are not created, click on create access key. It is used to authenticate from our PowerShell to the AWS Amazon console. So after creating the access key, you have to go to the Windows PowerShell and you have to write AWS configure. So it will first, for the first time users, it will ask the access key to type. Here it already showing mine because I have already done it. So when you click, when you give your access key and when you press enter, it will it will ask you to give the secret key also. That will actually, when you create the access key, there will be access key and a secret key. So you have to provide it here. So I have already done it. So then it asks for the region, which region you are accessing. So you have to give which region you want to access. So I have already given US East one, that is Northern Virginia. So and this one default output form, you give it as none, as it is. So and next you press enter. Then it is all by this it will be connected to your AWS console, which is in Northern Virginia as of mine. You can see in the Amazon console in the S3, so I have one bucket called me buck. So we'll create another new bucket from the command line and we can see how it's created. If we give it the command there, it will automatically create here. So let's see to how to create a S3 bucket through the command line. So I will use PowerShell for that. Now let's create a S3 bucket through command line. So for that, first you can list which are all the buckets you have. AWS S3, so S3 ls. Yeah, you can see me priorly I have shown to you. So now let's create a new bucket through command line. So for that you have to write AWS S3 mb means manage bucket. So S3 colon backslash double backslash. So the name I'll go with Simha. Yeah, you can see make a bucket. So that is Simha is created. So then if you after creating, you can upload anything to that bucket. For uploading you have to write AWS. So S3 cp means copy the object name. So what you want to upload, I'll go download.png. This is the file which I want to upload to the S3 bucket. It is called Simha. So after writing this, you can give a space and S3 colon double backslash the bucket name SIMHA. Yeah, you can see uploaded download.png file is uploaded to Simha bucket. So after that you can see what are all there in the bucket. So you can, for the listing the bucket content, so you can write AWS S3 ls. So S3 colon backslash the bucket name. Yeah, in that bucket you can see the download is there, download.png, what we as of now we have uploaded here now, so that you can see here. So after this you can download that also. For that you have to write AWS S3 CP space S3 colon double slash backslash. So the name what we have given, the example bucket, like SIMH, that is the example bucket what we have given. So slash the object name what we have uploaded. So download download.png space dot slash. If you give this, you can see downloaded. This file will be downloaded in your hard drive. So you can see there. Yeah, so what we have done in the command line, so you can see here, that is Simha, which I have created through the command line. Yeah, if you click it, you can see the download, what I have uploaded through the command line. So then if you want to delete this object what we have uploaded, so you have to write AWS S3, so RM means remove, so remove S3 colon backslash double backslash bucket name, that is the Simha, and the object name, that is download download.png. If you click enter, you can see deleted download.png. Yeah, so then the bucket is empty, right? So if you want to delete the bucket, so you can give AWS S3, so RB S3 colon backslashes, the two backslashes, and the bucket name, that is Simha. So if you click enter, yeah, you can see remove bucket. So from here you can see, through the command line you can create a S3 bucket, and you can upload anything from here, and you can delete what you have uploaded, and you can delete the bucket also. So thank you.